When it comes to automotive aftermarket replacement parts, the quality can and does vary greatly. While a part can be marketed as designed for a specific vehicle, there is no guarantee it will perform efficiently, fit correctly, or even be as safe as an original service part. Clearly, there is a need for a control process to certify the quality for automotive aftermarket replacement parts. The Certified Automotive Parts Association, or CAPA, was established in 1987 to create and implement a testing program to assure the quality of automotive replacement parts. CAPA is an independent, non-profit organization. As the global leader in aftermarket part certification for more than 30 years, the CAPA certification program offers an essential public service that provides consumers, collision repairers, parts distributors, and insurance adjusters with a reliable, objective means to identify and certify quality replacement parts. In fact, more than 92 million replacement parts have earned CAPA certification, making it one of the most widely respected quality assurance programs ever. The CAPA Quality Seal appears only on replacement parts which meet the comprehensive CAPA standards. Intertek has a history of providing total quality assurance solutions to the automotive industry for more than 60 years. CAPA and Intertek now have entered into a license agreement, expanding on their 25-year relationship, granting Intertek exclusive rights to operate the CAPA certification program globally. Under the agreement, Intertek will administer the program, which includes managing daily operations, administering certification marks and labels, performing marketing activities, and conducting testing and inspection services. CAPA will continue as a non-profit standards development organization, focusing on maintaining CAPA standards. With Intertek's global presence in the automotive market, combined with its full range of assurance, testing, inspection, and certification services, consumers, collision repairers, parts distributors, and insurance adjusters can all have the peace of mind that Intertek CAPA-certified parts will continue to represent the very best in aftermarket replacement parts. Commenting on the agreement, Intertek's CEO Andre Lacroix said, "We're delighted to enter into this agreement with CAPA in providing total quality assurance solutions for the automotive aftermarket parts industry. We look forward to continuing to ensure that all CAPA requirements are met for CAPA-certified replacement parts throughout the world." Intertek Transportation Technology, total quality assurance expertise delivered with precision, pace, and passion, enabling customers to power ahead safely.